We get underway on this course with an attractive traditional piece of music from Spain called Malaguena. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to play Part 2. Part 2 is a little more straightforward than Part 1, which features in Lecture 2. Later in the course, we'll be learning to play Part 3. I'll now play you the whole of Malaguena Part 2. Each of your left-hand fingers is allocated to a specific fret. Your first finger takes care of all the notes at the first fret, second finger second fret, and third finger third fret. When holding down a fret, ensure that your finger is just behind the metal fret. If it's at the back of the fret, it's a lot more difficult to make the note sound. This is good. This is not so good. Remember to keep your thumb bent back when plucking the strings. I'm now going to teach you the first 5 notes of Malaguena, which form the first phrase. All these notes are on the first string, and as we go through them, I'm going to give you the letter names of each note, and I suggest that you perhaps write them down and memorise as we go along. Open first string E, first fret F, third fret G, first fret F, open E. O131 open, E, F, G, F, E. E, open, F first fret, G third fret, F first fret, E open. You'll notice as the notes get higher in pitch, they go up alphabetically, E, F, G. We now move on to phrase 2. All these notes are on the second string. And before we get underway, I'll name the notes that we're going to be using. Open B, C first fret, D third fret. B, C, D. Once again, the notes go up alphabetically. Open B, first fret C, third fret D. The sequence of notes is B, open string, D third fret, C first fret, B open, C first fret. 031 open 1. I'll now recap on those first 6 notes. B, C, D on the second string, 013, E, F, G, 013 on the first string, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'll now play you both phrases. You'll notice that I've taken a slight breath between phrases 1 and 2.